Hi guys! I'm Marinel Flores, Sales Consultant ng Mitsubishi Peak Motors sa Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. So for today's video guys, meron tayo ditong Montero Sport Black Series. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang kinagandahan ng Montero Sport Black Series.
This is the new Montero Sport Black Series Automatic 2025. The SRP of Montero Sport Black Series 2-wheel drive is 2,162,000 and for 20% down payment is 195,000. For monthly BPI and BDO approval is 44,757. And for other banks approval is only 44,114. For the awards of achievements ng Montero Sport, 2017 to 2018, inawardan ng ating Montero Sport bilang Best Midsize SUV at inawardan din bilang Best Engine Performance and special awards for Midsize SUV Best Safety Features. For the engine performance of Montero Sport Black Series, ang power niya ay may 181 horsepower at 3,500 RPM. At ang torque naman niya ay may 430 Nm at 2,500 RPM. Ang kanyang engine ay may 2.4-liter 4-inline dual overhead cam, 16-valve intercooled turbocharged direct injection Myvec VGT diesel or 4 and 15 Euro 4. The Myvec diesel engine of the Montero Sport provides more power and torque, less emission, and more fuel efficient. And for the appearance of wheel design ng Montero Sport Black Series ay meron siyang 18-inch black alloy wheels, it giving the vehicle more fresh, sporty, and tough look. The turning radius is 5.6 meter. For the overall suspension designed for better handling stability, ang kanyang front ay may double wishbone with coil spring and stabilizer bar at ang rear naman niya ay may 3-link coil spring with stabilizer bar. It optimized tuning of shock absorber for improved riding comfort. And for the appearance of headlights, ang kanyang headlamp, cornering lamp, and front fog lamps ay equipped with the LED lights. At syempre, dito naman tayo sa rear combination lights ng Montero Sport Black Series. Pagdating naman sa tail lamp, stop lamp, backup lamp, and fog lamp is equipped na din siya into LED lights. At once na maka-avail kayo ng Montero Sport Black Series, meron tayong mga exclusive freebies na ibibigay basta nakapollow at nakasubscribe ka sa aking mga social media accounts. Meron akong free fender player, free hood emblem, universal dip matting, free tire block, free dashboard cleaner, free body wax, free rain visor, free door step seal, free full HD dashcam, and free keychain and Mitsubishi umbrella. At syempre ang ating Montero Sport Black Series ay equipped na din siya ng keyless operation system. So kung mapapanood nyo sa ibang vlog ko ay in-explain ko na kung ano ang purpose at kung paano ito ginagamit. At syempre top of the line ng Montero Sport Black Series, for the safety, mas pina-improve ang kanyang safety features. So meron siyang active stability and traction control, trailer stability assist, hill descent control, blind spot warning, lane change assist, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision mitigation system, and ultrasonic miss acceleration mitigation system. At syempre, equipped na din siya with a rear spoiler, so it gives more fuel efficient. So pagpasok pa lang dito sa driver side, makikita nyo ay napaka-comfortable na talaga siya sakyan. So kung makikita nyo, napaka-convenient ng mga bagong features na equipped dito sa loob ng ating Montero Sport Black Series. For the comfort ng seat material ng ating Black Series, meron siyang two-tone burgundy and black synthetic leather seats with heat guard and with diamond pattern. Pagdating naman dito sa passenger seats, ay napakaganda talaga ng leather niya kasi mula harap, gitna at likod ay naka-leather seats material na siya. So, it keeps more comfortable lalo na sa mga pasahero natin. So, meron siyang 7-seaters. So, 2 sa harap, 3 sa gitna, at 2 sa likod. Pagdating naman sa appearance ng ating steering wheel design, so naka 3-spoke leather wrap na siya. So the steering wheel ng ating Black Series ay inspired from Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. For the innovation of electric tailgate ng Montero Sport Black Series is equipped na din siya with a kick motion function. So it gives you hands-free access. The tailgate can open and close automatically hands-free, just placing your foot under the rear bumper. So pagbukas pa lang ng trunk opener, so pwede siyang matupi yung nasa likod na dalawang upuan. So meron din ditong lagayan na kung pwede mong lagyan ng mga sapatos, umbrella, and mga tools. Napaka-convenient talaga ng Montero Sport Black Series dahil friendly siya, lalo na sa mga ating mga traveler. Sa mga gusto pong mag-apply, pwede nyo po akong tawagan sa aking number na nakalagay sa screen. Yun din po yung number ko sa Viber and WhatsApp. And kung may katanungan po kayo, meron po kaming Montero Sport GLX manual transmission. So, ang kanyang down payment ay 0 down payment. At for Montero Sport GLS ay naka 99,000 down payment lang. For more questions and inquiries, comment down below and i-assist ko po kayo anytime.